Bonjour.
Bonjour. Lovely to see you all again.
It's good to be back.
Yeah.
We're back.
We've
been licking our wounds, haven't we?
We have, yeah. It's been a difficult 15, 16 months.
Yeah. We sadly lost your mum, didn't we? December the 10th. Thank you all. We did post on here kind of what had been going on in a tribute to Carol, or Moom, as we called her.
Moomin Mama.
Moomin Mama.
But we just want to, yeah, sorry, go on.
Go on.
We just wanted to thank all of you for
hundreds of messages we've received from
cards
people.
And gifts. And
coming back to France after spending 4 or 5 weeks in the UK. And we came back to a post box full of cards and gifts, and it's just been so amazing.
Yeah.
Thank you all so much. Yeah, it was a lovely welcome back, wasn't it?
Yeah.
So,
yeah, so thank you for that. Sorry, I'm all over the place still. But we wanted to get back on it, really.
we need to get stuck back in. That's kind of the
start doing stuff.
the best thing for us, isn't it?
Yeah.
We like to be busy, as you know.
Yeah.
But yeah, no better time than now to just get stuck into stuff, because it's certainly what your mum would have wanted.
Yeah, definitely. And also, just rewind a little bit to, we want to thank the hospice in the Wirral.
Oh God, hugely.
In Kent, in Pembury and Kent, because they were just amazing,
phenomenal.
Absolutely outstanding, the care that they gave my mum, and
They enabled us
as a family
essentially,
to navigate it and get through it.
And they enabled us also to just surround your mum with the love that she deserved, didn't they? Yeah, so we couldn't have done any of what has been done without the hospice in the Wirral in Pembury. So
amazing work they do.
And not just the carers either. Everybody that has a role there, that works there, has just helped us get through this
amazing.
awful
And my
situation.
mum, you know.
Yeah.
So
we're really grateful. Thank you, all you guys out there at Hospice in the Wirral in Pembury. Amazing work you do. It's so good.
And much love sent from France to you.
Absolutely. Hopefully we'll see some of you out here.
Yeah, definitely. Yeah, we definitely
soon.
formed some friendships there, didn't we?
Definitely. Okay, so
today,
what are we doing today, Paul? Back at the Boulière. It's a lovely sunny day today. Let's have a look at the lovely views.
Excuse me, just getting over our winter flu.
Yeah, we picked up something, didn't we?
We did, yeah.
We're okay. We're at the tail end of it. Let's.
So today, we'll come and show you, because
come over here, Paul, because the light's there. Yeah, let's
there's
take you over there, shall we?
Follow me.
Right, so there's the horse box. Here's where people come into the horse box
from the gates,
park.
and they come round here.
They come in those gates over there, the main gates. Like Paul's saying, they drive around here, and quite often it's tight to get onto there, especially some people turning up in their very big vehicles.
Big vehicles. So we're going to take a little bit of the corner of the chicken run off. We're going to go from that post over here, just behind that cherry tree, across to this one here.
Yeah, just cut that corner off.
Cut the corner off, take that out, that cherry tree out.
Then we can gravel that, can't we?
Yeah, and they can just sweep round easily onto there.
We haven't got the gravel at the minute, so we'll add that. But
this afternoon, hopefully.
As an addition, what else are we doing? This trough was part of a farm building that was here, wasn't it?
There was a barn here, yeah, and this was a feeding trough.
Let me come that way because the sun's ahead of me. And whilst we like to keep lots of evidence of the farming stuff that went on here,
it's a very slippery surface.
It is, and I think this is relatively modern.
Yeah,
it's not like it's hundreds of years old. It's a bit annoying. Things get trapped there, Paul, don't they?
They do.
So we're going to get the road breaker out and remove this whole trough that goes right up here. Yeah. And like you can see, it gets filled full of water at the entrance to the chickens, so that's not ideal either. We have to navigate that, so it'd just be much slicker if that was removed. We could put a gravel board. Hello, how are you? Put a little gravel board at the bottom there to retain that soil in the chicken pen.
Yeah. It'd be nice. Just tidy it up a little bit.
Yeah.
So
First things first, we're just going to cut this fence, pull that back so we can get to the little shrubs and trees and fence posts.
Marvellous.
It's the plan, isn't it?
That's the plan.
Let's get to it. Hopefully we won't have any escapees today.
No, we can't have.
You stay there, girls.
That's why we've got to walk it straight round. Round there and come round that tree. Round that tree.
It's got me caught on things.
There we go.
I'll temporarily put a thing in there.
Yeah, we'll just tie that round. Look. Marvellous.
I should be on the other side of this, shouldn't I?
You ought to be. Oh, bloody hell, you're taking a chance.
I am really, aren't I? I like to take a chance.
Right, so that can come out.
That's loose, isn't it? Oh, you're strong, Paul. How strong my husband is. Go on, Paul, you can do it. Come on.
I used to be, I'm not now.
Come on.
It's bigger at the bottom.
Come on, Paul. Yeah, of course it is.
Oh, look at you go. You got it, you're grappling with it, aren't you? Go on. You've got this.
Come on, we've got this.
Let me pull it out with that. That's what we've got that for.
Also want a bit of exercise, though, don't we?
Oh, look at that. Well done.
There we go.
You got that bait, didn't you?
Oh,
That's done well, isn't it? 4 years. 3 years, that close.
it's really good, isn't it? I suppose water doesn't sit there, though, so it's quite good in terms of it doesn't rot. It's quite free draining.
Yeah.
Okie dokie.
Well, actually, I need to get the chainsaw then. We'll take that down and I'll pull the roots out. Yeah?
Yeah,
Go and get that.
well done. Oh, that's sapped my energy. First post out. Take these stumps and stuff out. Unfortunately, we're going to have to take this cherry tree out. It's only a young one. But if I am honest, when customers park there, all the cherries fall on their car They tread all around the car and they tread on them. And they tread them into the jeep. It's not ideal. But whenever we take down a tree here, we make sure we plant another 2. So
Yeah.
don't worry, everyone. We're not going to be short of trees around here. We love a tree. So much so, we wish we had lots more because we love squirrels. We want to attract squirrels.
Oh, look, there's a squirrel.
As usual, Paul's wearing all his necessary safety gear. Get some of these stumps out. There you go. Voila. Well done. Let's have the smile of glory. Oh, look at you going. Lovely.
Oh, lovely. It's a good job done, Paul, isn't it?
Ah, wonderful. That's that corner done then. Very good progress. At least we've done this corner. I'm going to continue with that trough all the way along there. For the minute, I've sorted this corner out. We just need to sort all the earth out. Like Paul's saying, we need to change the bucket so we can scoop some earth out. There's far too much earth in there. Give the girls some earth to pick through. Having a lovely time, aren't they? Now girls, dinner time. See what bugs you can get out of there. Dug out. Paul's distributed all the earth over for the girls there. They're having a lovely time, aren't they? picking about the earth for all the bugs. So we're going to put the fence along here. It's a bit of a long span, so we're going to put in the post that we took out there that's laying on the floor. That's got to go in here. What's this lovely bit of kit, Paul, we've got here?
That's a gift from Talk. Earth drill. This is amazing.
That's so good, isn't it?
Yeah, it is. Saves us a lot of hard work.
I think we're in the right place, are we?
For what?
Are we ready to go with it?
I think so. I wanted to come over a couple of inches that way. I think.
It's going to be amazing. Look how quick this is. Let's have a little look. That's in line. Like a knife through butter. Thanks, Talk, you're saving us heaps of time here at the Boulier. Look at that, Paul, knife through butter. Do miles of fencing with this, no effort whatsoever. Look at that. Trying to dig this stony ground in Normandy by hand, or even using one of those hand manual augers, would be a nightmare. It's incredible. Look at that. Superb job, Paul, superb. It's going to look much better, this area. Oh, it's perfect, isn't it?
Amazing.
Check it's in line. Oh my god. Maybe over this way a little bit. That's it. Towards you a tiny bit. That's great. Right.
What is the stone there? 0.30 or is it 10.14? It'll be dear there though, won't it? I think that's a just for a ton. Right.
It's a lovely job, Paul. Isn't it?
Yeah.
So we're going to put 0.30 down, aren't we? And then
Plenty of it as well.
and then a top layer of this stuff, which is 10.14.
Yeah.
So, but today we'll just do the 0.30. Do you think?
Well, unless they've got it all.
They might have it all.
Right, that's right. Let's get the tension out and get that nailed out.
Nice time.
I'm going to get the hammer. There you go. Hold that there. I'll go on to there and nail it in.
Yeah. much better for people parking, isn't it?
Yeah.
That trough would be nice along here.
Yeah.
Where's my blade I had pulled? It's freezing all of a sudden.
All of a sudden?
Huh?
All of a sudden?
Yeah, it's yesterday it was lovely and sunny.
Push it towards my tape. He's a nice hook one, that. It'll be great. Tune that later date.
Paul's just tracking it in for us now. Packed it all. Great job there, Paul.
Thank you.
Massive improvement that is. That'd be good for us as well when we want to drive around with the trailer. We'll be able to do so now without taking out that corner of the chicken pen. Lovely. Never know. Lovely view today, isn't it? I can't tell you how cold it is though. It's so cold. But as long as it's not raining, we don't mind. It is beautiful. Very lucky to be here. Great that is, Paul. Then we'll have enough room, sunk a bit now, so that's good. We'll have enough room to put some top stone on it, which is this stuff, which is more 10mm to 14mm. That'll finish that off nicely. That's just a sub base we put down there, which is 0 to 30mm. Stop those weeds coming through, along with the weed control fabric. Lovely job. Do us for now, pop it, wouldn't it?
It's lovely. It makes it easier for them, doesn't it?
Yeah.
And us.
And us. It's lovely that is, once it's got this top stone on it. Oh, there's stuff here.
Yeah.
Which is like 10-14, like I said. and that'll blend it all in nicely. Chicken's doing a great job of picking through that earth. They're going to be loving that. Where are they all? They're indoors today, it's too cold.
Yeah.
Right, good job done, Poppet.
Thank you.
We'll finish that off another time as soon as we can pick up the stone from the quarry, won't we?
Yeah.
Right. Au revoir, everyone.
Au revoir, everyone.